What else do you like about bath time? I like that the water is nice and warm. But do you know where the water comes from? How does it get into the taps, and how does your bath water get warm? How does hot water work? Let's go and find out.
How does it work?
Hot water!
Your bath water starts its journey here.
In a reservoir.
A reservoir is a big lake that's used to store water. The water collected here will come from rivers and streams, and also the rain.
All the water that is collected here in the reservoir is clean so that it's safe. And then it's sent through pipes to our houses.
There are lots of pipes under the roads and pavements where you live, and some of these big pipes carry water all the way from the reservoir into your house. In your bathroom at home, you might have a sink and a tap just like this one, and to get water, all you need to do is turn the tap on. Amazing, isn't it? But the water that comes from the reservoir is cold, so how does it get hot?